I have to share one of my favourite things I've ever found, and it is my 1930s edition of the Illustrated Home Doctor, and oh my god, is it a gem. Scientists reading some of the things that were medicine back in the day is fascinating, not to mention just the social commentary. Let me read you a bit. Warning, if you're a feminist, this will infuriate you. On the topic of athletics for women. The question of women's athletics is so much in the air nowadays, it seems desirable to say a few special choice words about women as distinguished from men. Since the Great War, women have made great strides forward in athletics until a class of enthusiasts would like to see women compete on equal terms in events with men. Fortunately, the women athletes themselves recognise the absurdity of this and are content to excel amongst themselves. This next bit. It cannot be denied that the introduction of moderate outdoor exercise for women in their school years and afterwards has been a great benefit to the race as a whole by increasing the physical fitness of women. But most gynecologists agree that women who have overdeveloped her muscles has a harder time in her confinements than her softer sister. It gets better. Neurologists have asserted that competitiveness on the female nervous system is more deleterious than on the male. What does that mean? This later assertion seems to require more proof than that is present put forth, and no girl who has the common sense enough to know by when to draw the line need fear that being the champion of her tennis club is going to harm the future of her children. When it comes to the very few women who can compete in world championships, they are exceptional women to begin with. Yes, they are. And they can be left to look after their own interests. E.g., they don't need a husband or children. Top it off, it is not likely that women having once felt the joys of exercise in the open air will return to their sedimentary indoor leisure hour pursuits. No, sir. Let me know if you want to hear more.